Okay, guys, we're here at, I don't know if you can see that because I'm getting a text. Okay, we're here at Johnny Rockets, and that's where we're about to go to get a burger.
Lord only knows what it took to making you, like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind. And it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. Bring you love now and forever. For my hurt, you are the cure. Like a spring, you keep me healthy with a substance that is pure. And I said, darling, darling, I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, in your arms I feel secure. Darling, darling, ooh, 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 yeah, girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Oh yeah, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. You know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure. All I want for sure. In your arms I feel secure.
My phone is about to die, so I got to go. Plus, I'm a bask in this moment. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. We are getting out today in the Florida sun. Yeah, I need like a headband or something. It's just so hot. I want to put my wig on. And Tony was like, why are you putting it on? Because my hair look a mess, but I ain't really going nowhere. We're going for a ride. And how y'all doing? Y'all getting everything ready for the 4th of July? Getting all y'all cooking going on? We're not really making a lot. Getting hamburgers, hot dogs, sausage, baked beans. We got coleslaw, potato salad. Look at this tree. It's so pretty. Let me turn around so y'all can see this tree. Can y'all see that? It is really pretty. And it's got these little things growing on it. I don't know. Can y'all see that? I don't know what that is. And you know, my skin's super sensitive, so I ain't trying to touch it. But yeah, we're headed out. And yeah. I did a Publix order for pickup through Instacart. So that's what we're going now, to pick up the groceries, and then I'm going by a beauty supply store to see if I can find me some headbands and some earrings. All right, I'll see y'all in a few.
Feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, ooh, 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 yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Oh, baby, oh, know I miss you, darling. Know I miss you, baby. Know I miss you, baby.
What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, I was so caught up when you happened to me. Make it undone, 'cause my heart is breaking. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me. I can't believe that anyone could make me feel this way. No, I can't believe I would let you get away with this again. So don't you worry like that. You're not excuse, so come back. Heads underwater. Now don't you hurry like that. I'm ready for your attack. Heads underwater. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, I don't know what to do. Will I ever love again? Make it undone, 'cause my heart is breaking. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me. I can't believe that anyone.
Real quick and easy. Hamburger sliders, horse head hot dogs, potato salad, coleslaw, chips, Hawaiian bread, sauteed onions, hot sausages, baked beans, barbecue chicken, quick style, express.
Hey vlog.
Hi guys, this is our last day in sunny Florida. Hasn't been much to vlog because we haven't been doing much. So, and it rained a lot too. But, yeah, our last day, and then we're going home. I will be glad to get back to North Carolina. We're going to Starbucks right now. How y'all doing? I hope y'all had a great 4th of July. But we're going to Starbucks. You see how they pushed them out?
Fish what out?
The trash cans. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm all over the place.
I just see trash bags on.
You don't see them. You don't see them seats that I told you was in the trash. That's the trash can pushed to the front.
Oh, that's what you meant.
Yeah. They have a strange looking trash can. I don't know if I could show you. All right, guys, from Starbucks, Natalie has a cake pop,
I had a cake pop. Had. It's already gone.
And what else?
What's this? Oh, ain't got no sticker on it. Something crunch frappuccino.
I was like, what? Why do you act like you don't know what you ordered?
I don't know the proper name for
I
it.
have a caramel macchiato with an extra shot of caramel. And I had, let me show y'all. Can y'all see that? I'm about to spill this all in my car. Blueberry muffin. It tasted a little burnt, surprisingly. It's a little extra done.
Maybe they
But
did
anyway.
heat it up and it just cooled down quick.
Well, burnt is burnt, but you know. It's time for me to dye my hair again. It's time for us to get out of the hot car.
It's time for both of us to get out here again.
It's 90 degrees. And it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. See ya. Hi guys. We're going out once again on our last day. And it's back to life. Back to reality. So it's back to reality. So I put my hair back on. It's not so hot today, and first of all, how y'all doing? Welcome to PastorKims Corner. Yes, I'm a pastor, but I have a regular life with fun, trials, tribulations, probably even more so, like everyone else. But right now I'm on vacation, and so thank y'all for stopping by. If you want to know about the life of a normal person that just happens to be a pastor, come on through. I give you morning motivation every day because we got to start with the word. We need the word in our life. And then the ins and outs, the woes, the ups and downs, weight loss, life, marriage, the whole 9 yards. So y'all come on through, come back. Right now we're going to a restaurant, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, okay? So don't go nowhere. I know, right? There's a chair right here, so pull it over. You want outside? Okay, guys. I reserved a table, and I called to make sure because we were lost the first place we went to. But now, when we get here, they obviously don't have enough help because they're like it's a 25-minute wait, and they don't reserve tables. But the website says that you can reserve a table, so I'm not really sure what happened. I think they just got a lot of people and they don't know what to do. But it's in the Comfort Inn and Suites. When we saw that, we didn't believe it. And y'all saw the entrance. It doesn't look like it's a part of the Comfort Inn and Suites, but it's literally part of the Comfort Inn and Suites. So I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm really ready to leave, but Tony and Natalie want to go somewhere, so this is where we are. I'll be glad when we go home tomorrow. I'm ready to go home. They literally have one person waiting on tables, and then the manager slash hostess is also waiting on tables. Did you find one? Oh, okay. He went outside. You know where he went. So, you by yourself, sir? You
Yes.
Oh, snap. So, yeah, he said he's by himself. I don't know. This ain't looking too good. This spot is the first spot we went to was closed. We went to a little New Orleans oyster shop and it was literally closed. Sorry y'all, I'm like I got my eyes everywhere. Should have called it in. Oh well. I'll let y'all know what happens. Got the sweet potato tots and tacos. Bing bang boom.
Alright, tartar, couple ranches,
Yeah.
cut this out just in case.
You're good, thank you. Regular shrimp. Well, you know, he don't want to have to keep making a whole lot of trips. And taco with the boom boom sauce on the side with hush puppies. Can y'all see that? Hush puppies. All right, guys, I'm in the car with my driving outfit on, and we are about to make this road trip all the way back home. I am so tired. No, I'm not tired, just early morning tired, and so ready to get back home. 571 miles to be exact. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, we're at our first stop, and guess where it is? Buc-ee's. We're about 2 hours in. We left almost at 9 o'clock. It's 11:13, and we're about 20 miles from Jacksonville. So I'm gonna go get a couple things from Buc-ee's and then get back with y'all. If you haven't watched my other vlogs, my travel vlogs, when we went to Florida last month in June, excuse me, you'll see I did a whole thing on Buc-ee's. It's really big, really nice. All right, bye-bye.